Hey there, welcome to the Slack support space. So in a moment, you're going to see the Slack community where you and future 30-day challenge members will participate in the 30 days to really show up as a leader. So I want to show you the space we use in Slack because it's an alternative to social media. So instead of DMs, for examples, or texts, Slack is a tool many business owners use to create communications with their teams, mentors, coaches, or groups where you are not receiving an interference from algorithms, other posts, and all these other things that are so distracting in the app. So that's what I like about Slack personally, and let me show you what's inside once you join our support space. So once you're in, you're going to see just what I'm seeing here. You're going to see the LBL 30-day challenge. So it's very simple, as you can see. And that's because it's not a social media app. It's not a forum. It's not a traditional community space where people are talking all the time. And that's on purpose because we really want to get in the mode of being focused. And the best way to do that is to put ourselves in environments where we're not receiving distractions all the time. And again, Slack is great for that. So there are different channels here, and channels are certain spaces where specific conversations happen. Okay, so ask questions here. This is when, if you're going through the content or when you're completing templates, going through the videos, making your business plan, whatever you're working on in the 30-day challenge and you have questions on regarding anything you're learning, any struggles that are coming up, you're going to share them here and ask questions, okay? And then, so you post, you initiate the help, and I or another team member will come in and we're going to help you there, okay? And other members can help each other as well. So really, again, it's about initiating your help here. I am not initiating things, you are, because you're the leader, okay? And the breakthroughs, same thing. So I shared an example of sharing a breakthrough here. So if you had like an epiphany on something you've learned, if you finished something and you're really excited about it and want to share your update, this is a place for that. And then the weekly check-ins channel, this is when you commit to the 30-day challenge, you're agreeing to check in weekly in this channel. So more to come on. So this is just to form the habit of showing up for yourself, forcing the habit of initiating help, of asking questions, of shaking off self-judgment, self-doubt, and fear of putting yourself out there. It's a chance to become very vulnerable and be open about what your struggles are, what your challenges are regarding this challenge, mentally, emotionally, or even just with the content. And if you want to communicate with me directly, which by the way, this will only happen if you ask a question and I answer it, but you need more clarity, then I will get back to you in DM with more information. But this really should not be your first go-to. We want to make your questions public, and that's on purpose. Get in the habit of being public about what you're thinking, what you're feeling. And this is going to help you, of course, in your content creation as you show up more vulnerably, more powerfully. This is your inner leader, okay, showing through when you initiate that safety for yourself to show up vulnerably. So this is that. It's a very simple space, and it's very structured and organized. It organizes the types of communication and the types of thoughts. So this is another skill that you need in business. So this is why I like Slack. This is why we're practicing it in the 30-day challenge, practicing communicating here. So you can practice that discipline of being organized and being vocal and being vulnerable. All right, so the invitation link has been sent to you, and click on it to join the Slack support space. I'll see you inside.